Machine Party Rentals, and today I'm going to be showing you how to operate our cotton candy machine. When you receive the machine from us, you'll receive it clean, wrapped, and ready to use. In order to operate this cotton candy machine, you will need the machine itself, which comes in two parts, the main unit as well as the large collecting container. You also need some floss sugar, which we have in two flavors. We have Boo Blue and Cherry Berry. It comes in this carton and it makes about 70 servings. You will need some paper cones, which you can purchase from us, as well as a regular outlet. So before you can begin the operation, you want to make sure your cotton candy machine is set up properly. So first things first, you want to make sure that it's on a level, flat surface. Here I have just on a table. And then you want to unlock your machine. Right now with the handle upwards like this, it's in lock mode. So to unlock it, you want to push forward. It seems a little tough, but it does just like that. And you can see that the head of the machine will move. So now you want to grab your large collecting container, and there's a hole in the middle, and that hole goes on top of the head, and it just sits right on top. So now you're ready to begin making some cotton candy. So what you want to do first is plug in your machine. Here I'm just plugging in to an extension cord. Just let that drop. And now you want to switch on your heat button, which is this one right here. And then you want to grab some floss sugar. Here I'm going to use Boo Blue, and just open it like a regular milk carton. And I'm going to fill up the head of the machine here, about 90% full. Like so. And now I'm going to turn on the motor button, which is this one right here. And you're going to see it's going to begin to get a little loud. So just make sure for safety, never touch the motor. And then here you want to turn on your heat level. It's about low right now. You can put it to high. And we just basically wait for it to start making cotton candy. And also, if it begins to smoke a bit, you can change your heat level and just put it lower. So when your cotton candy looks nice, fluffy, and ready to eat, you can grab your paper cone and you can start to twirl it and make your cone. So this is how we're going to do it. So now once you're done collecting all your cotton candy, you can, like I did, turn off the motor, and you can turn off the heat switch and turn your switch all the way to low. And then now to clean up everything, what you do is you grab your collecting tub here, just take that off, unplug your machine, just wrap up your cord. And you want to put your machine back into lock position, like so. Also, just a reminder, when you're done making your candy floss, allow the motor to just spin until all the sugar that's inside of the head has turned into candy floss. Here's a tip. If you want to make some cotton candy as a snack to go, or perhaps as a party favor for your guests, think about making it the day before and storing it like so. Just slip it in a bag, store it at room temperature, and it's ready to go. Now you're ready to not begin.
Stop!